Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Saqib Technical. Today I am going to discuss COCOMO model in software engineering, which is most important topic according to paper point of view. So let's start today topics. Contents में हम देखेंगे number 1 about COCOMO model, number 2 software project types, number 3 types of COCOMO model with example, number 4 advantage of COCOMO model, number 5 disadvantage of COCOMO model, number 6 important question. So let's start about COCOMO model. It was developed by scientist Barry Bohm in 1981. COCOMO model stands for Construct Cost Model is one of the most popular use of software cost measure method. This method depends on the size mean number of line of code for software product development. It estimates effort required for project, total project cost and schedule time of project. So next, software project types. In COCOMO, projects are categorized into 3 types. Number 1, organic type. What is organic types? Project is small and simple. Its range is 2 to 50 kilo line of code. Number 2, few requirements of project. Number 3, project team is small with prior experience. Number 4, problem is well understood and has been solved in past. Example, simply inventory management system and data processing system. Number 2, semi-detached types. Medium size and has mixed rigid requirement range 15 to 300 kilo line of code. Project has complexity not too high or low. Basically it is medium size. Both experienced and inexperienced member in project team. Project are few known and unknown models. Example, data management system, different inventory management systems. Number 3, embedded types. In embedded types, large project with fixed requirement of resources more than 300 kilo line of codes. Larger team size with little previous experience. Highest level of complexity, creativity and experience requirement. Example, ATM card, traffic control signal, banking software. Next we will discuss about types of COCOMO model. So there are 3 main types of COCOMO model: basic COCOMO model, intermediate COCOMO model and complete or detailed COCOMO model. First of all, we'll discuss basic COCOMO model. It is a type of static model to estimation software development effort quickly and roughly. It mainly deals with the number of line of code in project. Formula इसका effort is equal to A into kilo line of code power B mm stand for main month. The person of effort in the effort of person in 1 month is known as mm. Now schedule time formula C into E power D months or M. E total effort, D total time, kilo line of codes, and A, B, C, D the constant parameter for project, software project. Next we'll discuss example of COCOMO model. Statement, consider a software project using semi-detached mode with 300 kilo line of code. Find out effort estimation, number 1, number 2 development time and number 3 person estimation. First of all, effort. The formula of the effort A into kilo line of the code power B. So according to table which is given, the value of A 2.5, 3.0 and kilo line of code which is given 300 and value of power B 1.12, which is power of the kilo line of the codes. So answer is, after calculation, answer is 1784.42 pm person month. Effort of person in month. Now development time is formula C which is constant, E effort, power D constant. The value of the C according to table 2.5 effort which is calculated above 1784.42 pm. So value of the power D 0.35. After calculation we will get 34.35 months. Now we will discuss person requirement. The formula of E over D, E effort D time, effort divided by time, and we get person requirement which is 52%. So next we will discuss intermediate COCOMO model. Extension of basic COCOMO model which enhance more accuracy to cost estimation model result. It includes cost driver, product, hardware, resources, project, parameter of project. Formula of the intermediate is same as the formula of the basic model, but some extra things include, which is formula of the effort E is equal to A into kiloline of the code power B EAF M month, M main, M month. Schedule time D is equal to C at the rate of E power D month. So E effort time D, E effort required for a main month, D total time required for the project repeating month, kiloline, KLOC size of line of code for project in kilo line of code, ABCD constant parameter for the software project which is already discussed previous. So this is the table to calculate the value of the EAF according to given statement. Now we will discuss about COCOMO model example. Intermediate COCOMO model example. Statement for a given semi-detached project was estimated with the size line of code 300 kilo line of code. Calculate the effort to create करना है schedule time for developer. I consider developer having high applications experience and very low experience in programming. High application experience and very low experience in programming. This is most important point in this question. So let's start solution. First of all, we will calculate the value of EAF, which is given having high application experience and very low experience. Now we see in the table high application experience. Application experience high 0.82 and very low experience 1.14. So multiply 0.82 and 1.14 and answer is 0.9348. So now we calculate the effort is equal to A multiply kilo line of code B EAF. The value of A according to table is 3.0. The kilo line of code which is given 300 and power B according to table 1.12 and EF which is calculated above 0.9348. So after calculation answer is 1668 minus 07 mm main month. Schedule time formula C same as basic COCOMO model. C into E power D. C is constant according to table value of C is 2.5 and E 1668 minus dot 07 power value of the D 0.35. After calculation answer is 33.5. Now this is the table of for calculation of EAF according to given requirement. As we can solve, we have been solved example of intermediate COCOMO model. Now we will discuss type 3 detailed model or complete model. This model incorporates all quality of basic COCOMO model and intermediate COCOMO model strategies on each software engineering process. The whole software is divided into different modules and then apply COCOMO model in different models to estimate effort and then sum the effort. The 6 phases of detailed COCOMO model are plan and requirement, system design, detailed design, module code and test, integration and test, cost instructive model. Each phase is calculated by using basic or COCOMO formula separately. Example of detailed COCOMO model is statement a distributed management information system (MIS) product for organization having office at several places across the country can have the following subcomponents: database part, graphical user interface (GUI) part, communication part. Solution: the communication part can be considered as embedded software. The database part will be some detached software. The GUI part, organic software. The cost of for these components can be estimated separately and some to give up the overall cost of the system. Now we will discuss advantage of COCOMO model. Number one, provide a systematic way to estimate the cost and effort of a project. Software project estimate cost. Number two, estimate cost and effort of software project at different stage of the development process. Number three, help in identifying the factors that have the greatest impact on the cost and effort of the software project. Provide ideas. Number four, provide ideas about historical project. Number five, easy to implement with various factors. No disadvantage or drawback of COCOMO model. It ignores requirement, customer skill and hardware issue. It limits the accuracy of the software cost. It is based on assumption and average. It is mostly depend on time step factor. Number five, assume that the size of the following software in the main factor determine the cost and effort of the software project, which may not always be true. Now, important questions for COCOMO model. Question number one, which is very important. Explain COCOMO model for project estimation with suitable example, or explain COCOMO model with level with example. Thank you for watching.